Hi, hey, hello, welcome back to another video. So on today's video I'll be doing my eyebrow. I'll be using this premium brow henna by Parallel Products. So yeah, keep on watching. And after I tint my eyebrows, I am using the brow styling soap to keep it in shape. And this is my own brush I'll be using. So this whole package, I bought it from Amazon. I'll leave the link down below. It comes with a eyebrow oil and two spatulas and a small bottle with the henna powder. I chose dark brown. And it will also come with a small tiny brush, which I am looking for it. Also a little spoon, of course, and this little brush. So now I will add the henna powder in this tiny cup because I have to mix it with water. I'll be doing 2 to 3 scoops of henna powder. Depends on how dark you want your eyebrow. And now I'll be adding 3 to 5 drops of water. If you want it really liquidy, you add more water. I like it in between. And just mix it with your spatula. And now it's time to apply this henna onto my eyebrow. This is my eyebrow without the henna. So, yup. I will start my eyebrow on my right side first. And yes, I like it thick, so I'll just do the shape I like. So now while my henna is on my eyebrow, I'll let it sit for a couple of minutes, I guess 30 minutes, or not even that long, 50 minutes, let it sit. And then, I know, it looks so ugly. And then I will take it off. So now it's time to wipe off the henna. I'll just use any wet wipes to take it off. And yeah, it's easy, it's not a lot of work. And if you're not satisfied with the color or the shape you have, you can just add another round of the henna powder onto your eyebrow. So since I want it a bit darker, I'll add a second round. Yep. just wiped off the second round. So this is the end result. I hope you guys like this video, and if you do, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So I like it. It's easy, it's simple, and it lasts for a week or more. So that is it, you guys. So super natural, as you can see. So please give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.